You can find pages and reports by choosing the search icon, symbolised by a magnifying glass, in the top right corner of the address bar. When you start typing characters, a drop-down list shows page names containing the characters you type. As you add more characters, the search list reflects these updates. The top section shows matching pages on your current page. The second section shows pages and tasks matching your search, and the third is for reports and analysis. These sections only appear if there are results that fit your search. The search function does not search through data, such as customer names, addresses or transactions. Instead, you can search for data in list pages by choosing the magnifying glass in the list header. The search only applies to the list you are viewing.